Hi friends, this is your first math test of the year. How exciting. So we're going to complete this celebration of knowledge of math. What I want you to check first is to make sure that your name is on your paper. So will you do that now, please? And then I want you to know that because you're watching this video, we're going to go through the test together. And if at any point you need to pause the video or you need to rewind, you can do that. That's the nice thing about having this on a video, okay? All right, let's get started. Your paper will not be in color like mine is, so just so you know. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. So these are the blanks right here where you are going to write your answers on your paper. Fill in the blanks. There are blank red hearts. There are blank blue stars. There are blank shapes all together. So fill in these 3 blanks and then also fill in your number bond over here with the correct numbers representing the red hearts and the blue stars. Number 2, blank cats. How many cats do you see here? Blank cats. Fill in the blank on your paper. Blank, more cats came. More cats came. This many more cats came. So fill in the blank of how many more cats came. And then in these boxes, you're going to put how many cats you had here, how many more cats came, and then how many cats you have all together. Question number 3 says, draw a picture. Fill in the blanks. Sam had 8 blocks. Jill had 2 blocks. How many blocks did they have in all? Write a number sentence to match your picture. So this number sentence that you write right here has to match the picture you draw right here. Sam had 8 blocks. Jill had 2 blocks. How many blocks did they have in all? Draw and label your picture. Write a number sentence to match, and then whatever you put in this box as your total, put it on this blank as well. Question 4. Bob made 2 red cakes and 4 green cakes. How many cakes did Bob make? Draw a picture to show how many cakes Bob made, and then write a number sentence to match your picture. Whatever you put in this box, you will also put on this blank as your total, showing how many cakes Bob made. Number 5, fill in the box. This is one of those unknown number problems. 3 cats are here, plus we don't know how many cats were there. The total is 9 cats. How many cats could be here? Fill in the answer on your paper. Number 6, there are 5 birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 birds. 5 birds plus Some more birds equals 8. 8 birds total. How many goes in this box to equal 8? Write your answer on your paper. Number 7. Write number sentences to match the picture. Show the parts in a different order. So, there are some blue shapes, there are some circles, and there are some hearts. So write a number sentence here, and then write the same number sentence in a different order there. Number 8. Fill in the boxes to match the number bond. Here is your number bond. Use these numbers to fill in these boxes. So you'll fill in the boxes and then you'll fill them in using the same numbers but in a different order. Number 9. Circle 2 that are equal. So you're going to circle 2 of these boxes. What they want you to see is that they are adding together to get a total. So circle 2 totals that are the same, or 2 that are equal. Number 10. Fill in the boxes to make a number sentence true. 6 plus 1 equals 4 plus something. Remember, friends, I would add these together and write your total down here so that you know what you have to get on this side to make them equal. Just a little tip. Number 11, same thing. Fill in the box to make the number sentence true. Number 12, you're doing the same thing. Fill in the box to make the number sentence true. You're making both sides equal to each other. See that equal sign? All right, friends, that concludes your first math test. Make sure you have filled in all of the boxes. Make sure your name is on your paper and you have checked all of your work. If you have done all of that, then good for you. I hope you did well.